Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with the exercises and we're doing Domain Tree Exercise 1. So as always, we can get our files by going to the Office Master 19 YouTube channel, and the file is regions.xlsx spreadsheet. So I have my regions file open. Now the important thing here, this is unusual for the exercises, there's actually 3 worksheets in here, okay? Northern, Southern and Western. So we got to make sure that we're in Northern worksheet, okay? So I'm in here in Northern, okay? So the first question is to convert cell range A5 to F17 to a table. So I highlight A5 to F17. Then I'm going to go to Home. Click on the drop down arrow on Format Table and I'm going to go to Orange 10, okay? So it's Table Style Light Orange 10. I got to put a tick in my table as header, so I click OK on this. Okay, now the next question is we have to convert it, change it to blue Table Style 13. So I just click on Table Style 13 here, okay? Okay, so then the next question is we have to add a total row to the table. So I put a tick in total row and it's for a sum, so it's automatically doing a sum, okay? You could also be asked to do average and so on, but in this case it's sum, okay? Now we have to filter the table by assistant name Chris, so we click on assistant and we untick everything and we put the tick in Chris, okay? So now I click OK here and then we're asked to remove the filter, so I go to data and then I go to clear here under filters. So now I'm just going to go back to table design, okay? Now we need to apply formatting to the table so the last column stands out. So this is a bit of a sneaky question. We just got to put a tick in the last column and notice it makes it bold, okay? So we'll just put a tick in the last column. Okay, so the next part of the next question then is the selling price. So we want to make that less than 1,000. So we right click and go to number filter and then less than 1,000. So we just put in 1,000 in here, okay? So now we've done that, we've made it less than 1,000. So now we've had a total row at the end of the table. So click into the end of the table, we right click, go to insert and sheet row, okay? Right click, insert sheet row, okay? And we have to keep the same formatting, so you notice it was blue, the whole is kept with the blue formatting. Then the final, or the next bit is to delete column A, so we right click again, and I'm just going to try this here. Insert and then delete and table columns, okay? So that's now deleted column A. So then the next question is to sort item in descending order, okay? So I'm not going to try, you can click on the arrow and then select Z to A, but I'm actually going to go to data and click on Z to A here, okay? Okay, so now the last question then is to convert the table to range. So make sure you're in table design and convert to range. So that's table design and convert to range. So click on that. And do you want to convert to normal range? We're going to click yes. So that's brilliant. That's Domain Tree Exercise 1. And we will see you shortly on Domain Tree Exercise 2. And as always, thanks for watching and take care.